Please, attention, all business owners, farmers, ranchers across America. The Low Payment Kings can ship these vehicles anywhere in America and offer you savings and benefits up to $85,000. That's right, I said it, up to $85,000 on select new and used models when you see the Low Payment Kings. Over 1,400 vehicles, videos, and Low Payment Kings specials available at lowpaymentkings.com. Please check us out online or call us toll-free today so we can share with you how you can save up to $85,000 with the Low Payment Kings. Farmers and ranchers, you get benefits up to $45,000 for every new or used qualifying vehicle you purchase from the Low Payment Kings. That's many makes and models. Fords, Chevys, Nissans, Hondas, Jeeps, Rams, and a whole lot more. Trucks, vans, and SUVs. Business owners, let us get you the information for IRS Section 179 and IRS 168. The new accelerated depreciation programs will allow you to save tens of thousands of dollars when you invest in vehicles here at the end of 2025. The Low Payment Kings are a certified agricultural dealer. The Low Payment Kings are a certified Business Link dealer. So we can help farmers, ranchers, and businesses across America with special savings. The Low Payment Kings are also very proud and excited to announce one of our best warranties ever. 10 years, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty coverage on most 2026 Ram models now through December 31st. You'll also enjoy a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, which covers all mechanical, electrical components, 100% parts and labor with a zero deductible. The only things that aren't covered in that 336 are basic maintenance and wearable items, like tires, wiper blades, and bulbs. Please allow the Low Payment Kings to show you how you can save up to $85,000 in November and December of 2025.